Hello everyone. Today in this experiment we have to design a pulse rate measurement system to automatically measure the pulse rate from a PPG signal in practice. The PPG signal are corrupted with baseline drift of DC of 0.5 Hz to the power line interference, and the instrumentation noise are greater than 20 Hz. Assume that the proposed system can be suitably measure the pulse rates from 30 to 300 beats per minute. Assume that the PPG signal is digitalized with sampling rate of 100 Hz and 10 bit per resolution. So here fs is equals to 100 Hz, and we have to design a band pass filter. So we have to design a band pass filter with the two corner frequency 0.5 to 20 Hz. So here the baseline is 0.5 Hz. So we have to design a Butterworth. So we know that the LPF Butterworth filter, first order LPF Butterworth filter, we can write it like this as h of s, the transfer function, as 1 by s plus 1. And so if we want to transform the low pass filter to band pass filter, so we have to just transform s as s square plus omega naught divided by s into omega naught. So here omega naught is the multiplication of the two corner frequency, that 0.5 and 20 Hz, and omega is equals to omega an minus omega l. So this is maximum minus minimum. So so by this, so we can calculate the omega s as 0.5 into 2x divided by fs is equals to 100. So this will be x by 100. So omega an equals to 2x into 20 divided by 100 to 40x divided by 100. So we know this. So the transfer function can be computed like this. And so this transfer function will be this. So the two approaches will be h of t. We have to calculate the pulse rate with the two approaches will be this. So h of t you have to pass through band pass filter like this. This will be the transfer function of that function. Then autocorrelation we have to pass through. Then we have to check the zero crossing frequency. Then we have to find the maxima, and from that we can find the pulse rate, pitch period we can find. So pulse rate we can find it by this formula, 60 by n into ts is equals to 1 by fs. So 60 fs divided by n will be the formula. And for autocorrelation the formula will be r of n equals to 1 by r naught. R naught will be the value at 0. So this will be, and also you can set that this is a average value. And so this will be this formula, x of n plus m minus 1. So this will be the autocorrelation function. So now we can, by this we can find the this approach. And so the next approach is the band pass filter. Then we have to find the fast Fourier transform, FFT, then pitch estimation, then pitch period we can find by this formula. So this is the two approach. So this will be the zero crossing point. So this will be the ZCP. So if we now headed to the headed towards the code will be look like this. So like this you have to give the sample, what are the sample are present in that. And now we have to find that y of t, and this will be z, and so some intermediate variables. So now we have to perform the moving average filter because of the smoothing of the signal. Because any signal is we can make the signal smooth by this. We can make the signal smooth by this moving average. Then we have to make the autocorrelation function. And then we have to pass through that zero crossing frequency. So for that we have to find the mean, that is x of 0 we have to find by this formula. Means that we have to total and then average the total thing. Then from here to here we are calculating, we are subtracting that from mean. And here we are calculating the autocorrelation function of that thing, autocorrelation function of the system. So after calculating the autocorrelation function, then we have to after calculating the autocorrelation function, then we have to pass it through then we have to find the zero crossing point, and from that after that using the formula given here the 60 by n ts or 60 fs by n, we can find the pulse rate per minute of that system. So proposed system, so you must describe the Arduino signal by the proposed system expressions is this. So this will be there, and so by this way we can find the pulse rate of the signal. So thank you.